is this? Across now to live visuals coming in from Mumbai once again. My colleague Yesha is joining us as comedian Bharti has now come out, and Yesha has been tracking, of course, the developments as far as her custody and then the bail is concerned. Yesha, over to you.
What we know is this afternoon, comedian Bharti Singh and her husband Harsh Limbachia both got bail. They were arrested on Saturday, following which now we can see the visuals of Bharti getting out of Baikla jail. Harsh will also be out of in the NDPS Act of 1986, wherein they had agreed to consumption of drugs. But Harsh had also said that he was involved in transportation. However, there was no proof to certain that he was involved in transportation of drugs. We can see Bharti is out right now in the car with her mother, and now they'll be heading towards the house. What happened over the last 2 days is that a drug peddler was arrested from Khardanta, who mentioned the name of Bharti and her husband Harsh in the case, as a result of which the arrest was made by the NCB on Saturday. Yesterday they were produced before the court, and the charges that were levied against them were Section 20B and 27 of the Act. Now, what happened next is that, considering that they had got the judicial custody yesterday, they've been given a bail today. However, NCB had opposed their bail because they wanted some time for Harsh Limbachia they wanted some time to question Harsh Limbachia, and understand as to the entire access of drugs, the entire drug nexus, and how the drugs were being supplied, and who were the other people who were involved. Due to the consumption of ganja in only a limited amount, that is 86.5 grams of ganja was recovered from the place, which is a non-commercial quantity. Then argued that it is since it's less than, since if they are arrested, the bail term would come up, their punishment term would come up to less than 1 year. They should not be given a custody of NCB and should essentially be held in the judicial custody. Following which, Bharti was sent to Baikla jail. She came there exactly 24 hours back. Now, within 24 hours after spending one night at Baikla jail, she's out already and heading towards her place at Oberoi Sling. Similarly, Harsh, who was sent to Talwar jail, will now be taken out anytime soon, considering that the orders came in on days. They were allowed to of the jail by evening. What advocate had informed earlier in the day was that they had applied for a bail yesterday, following which today in a special NDPS court, that is the holiday court at Kila Court, was when their bail application was approved. Yesterday, Bharti has.
Yesha, we'll keep coming back to you. Bharti, comedian, husband have both been granted bail. Bharti at least can be seen coming out of the Baikala jail. Let's also go across to my colleague Alisha. She's been tracking, of course, all developments overall as far as this drug crackdown is concerned. Some relief coming in for Bharti and her husband, Harsh Limbachia. They were arrested by the NCB, Alisha, as you know, on Saturday, booked after allegedly 86.5 grams of cannabis was recovered from their properties as well. Moving for bail on Sunday and getting some relief. Alisha.
देखिए बिल्कुल 21 नवंबर को जहां पर हमने देखा कि एनसीबी की ओर से भारती के घर पर और उसके ऑफिशियल ऑफिस पर जो प्रोडक्शन ऑफिस है वहां पर छापेमारी नारकोटिक कंट्रोल ब्यूरो की ओर से की गई थी, जहां पर दोनों में यानी घर और ऑफिस पर मिलाकर 86.5 ग्राम का गांजा पकड़ा गया था। उसके बाद भारती और उनके हस्बैंड हर्ष लिम्बाचिया को एनसीबी ऑफिस में लाया गया और 3.5 घंटे की पूछताछ के बाद पहले भारती को अरेस्ट की गई और उसके बाद 9 घंटे के बाद जो है हर्ष लिम्बाचिया जो कि भारती के पति है और वही एनडीपीएस आईपीएस एक्ट 1996 के तहत दोनों को गिरफ्तारी की गई थी। वही जब कोर्ट में प्रोड्यूस किया गया था तो एनसीबी ने पूरी कोशिश की कि उनको 7 दिन की एनसीबी की कस्टडी मिले, पर जहां जो ऑब्जर्वेशन कोर्ट में देखे गए थे उस ऑब्जर्वेशन के दौरान खुद जो है इस भारती और हर्ष को जुडिशियल कस्टडी में भेजा गया था। यानी कल जुडिशियल कस्टडी में भेजी गई। वहीं पर कल ही खुद भारती और हर्ष लिम्बाचा के लॉयर ने बेल एप्लीकेशन दायर की थी, जिसकी सुनवाई आज हुई। और वहीं पर जो है एनसीबी के वकील जो है वो यहाँ पर मौजूद न होने की वजह से, उस पर रिप्लाई फाइल नहीं होने की वजह से डिफॉल्ट बेल जो है वो भारती और हर्ष लिम्बाचा को दी गई है, यानी दोनों को बेल की मंजूरी दी गई है। वहीं पर 15,000 ईच यानी एक को 15,000 रुपए का बॉन्ड भरकर दोनों को बेल दी गई है। जहां अभी हम तस्वीरें सीधा बाइकला जेल से देख रहे हैं, जहां एक रात खुद भारती सिंह ने बाइकला जो कि वुमेन्स जेल है वहां पर बिताई। और अभी तस्वीरें हम सीधे देख रहे हैं कि अब मशहूर कॉमेडियन भारती सिंह, जिसको कोर्ट की ओर से बेल दी गई थी, और वहीं पर अब वो जेल से निकलकर अपने घर के लिए रवाना होगी।
All right. So some relief coming in for Bharti and for husband and released on bail. Although very interestingly, they did accept consuming drugs, and then on top of that, the more serious charge of actually having quantities of drugs or narcotics or banned substances from your residence certainly is a matter of trouble for them.